Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Romestead game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Romestead game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Romestead game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then restart the game because changing requires a restart of the game. So simply restart Romestead game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Romestead game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again changing require restart of the game. So simply restart your game and then check if your controller or gamepad is working or not. So I hope by following these steps you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Romestead game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.